Okay guys, so one of the mobility exercises, the assisted pancake stretch, which is another favorite in yoga, and it actually helps to lengthen and provide relief of tension in the spiral lines or the spiral fascial lines, mainly the adductors, lower back and the hip musculature. You basically want to sit on the floor and try and get your shoulders directly above your hips, and then take your legs out as wide as you can comfortably take them, aiming for full knee extension, and again making sure that they are even on either side, so you don't want one leg more abducted than the other. With this, particularly for people that are tight and have muscular restriction initially, I would recommend to use a kettlebell. Okay, and all you're going to do is place it out in front of you, roughly in line with your feet to begin with, and then from here you're going to reach forward towards the kettlebell. Now again, with this, there's initially going to be some degree of spinal flexion, but I want everyone to try and encourage extension, particularly through the thoracic spine. So as you can see here, I'm holding onto the implement, deep breaths, trying to relax. I'm going to push the weight a little bit further out, and then when I hold onto it, I'm going to try and drive my chest out and encourage as much extension as I can. Again, in this position, I'm going to be limited due to the length-tension relationship of the hamstrings and the adductors. But again, you're focusing on trying to increase range of motion in a relaxed state. So we're, again, pushing to a point of slight discomfort but never pain, and just aiming to provide relaxation to those muscles.